Hi, boys and girls. It's time for our writing block today. So today is Tuesday, and you're getting ready to start working on your writing. Hopefully you have read the directions, so you are watching the Screencastify video right now. The next step is you're going to work on your report about crane flies. Remember, you should, in your work folder, you should have your notes or maybe in your writing notebook, and you should also have your article about crane flies that I printed out for you. So you're going to use your notes that we started in class and the article to help you write your report. Now, if you'll remember, we've already started it. You should already have the introduction done. So you're going to go back to your drive. So you'll click on your 9 dots. Okay, and then if you go to your docs, then it should open up to all the docs you've done. Here's mine. I'm going to find the one that I titled Crane Flies and click on it. And then it's going to open up to my report about crane flies that we already started together. Okay, so here you can see is my introduction. All right, so I'm going to press enter to take it down to the next line. And then I'm going to press tab so that I can indent. Now I'm going to start writing the details of my report. It's called the body of your report. And you're going to include the facts and any other interesting information that you want to include on your report about crane flies. So remember, the first sentence of this paragraph is our topic sentence. So we're going to introduce what we're going to be writing about in our topic sentence. So what I'm going to use for my topic sentence is crane flies are, and I kind of ended my introduction with interesting bugs, so I don't want to say that same exact thing for my topic sentence for my the body of my report. So I'm going to say something else. Let's think. There are many what would be a good synonym for interesting? There are many, I want you guys to try to think of a good synonym for interesting. I'm going to say, no, I don't want to say interesting. I'm going to say interesting, but I want you guys to try to say something different there besides interesting. Okay, there are many interesting facts about crane flies. And then you're going to go back to your notes that you wrote. Okay, hopefully you have it in a packet that I send home with you. Okay, so you're going to look through those notes and you're going to find, and it may be in your writing notebook as well, you're going to find those 5 facts that you wrote down about crane flies. And we're going to include them in our details here. So one thing that we learned was that adult crane flies only live for 7 to 10 days. So I'm going to write that. Adult crane flies may only live between 7 and 10 days, sometimes up to 14 days. And then I'm going to kind of just add some information after that sentence. So it's not just boom, 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 detail, 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 detail. I'm going to kind of add to it. Okay, so that is a very short lifespan. And then I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to, again, use my packet to help me. I'm going to talk about how crane flies have a larva stage. Okay, so I'm going to say before crane flies become adults, and then I'm going to add that information. So I want you to finish this body of your paragraph, adding the details about the crane flies. Okay, and you can add your own kind of references inside that paragraph, like I did here. All right, so remember that we're putting periods, we're using proper punctuation, we're using capital letters. And if you have any questions, send me a message on It's Learning. And be sure that you've shared this with me by clicking the share button and typing in my name. Okay, so be sure that you've done that so that I can check it out and kind of make some notes. Go back to this writing maybe tomorrow morning, or you could even check at the end of the day. I might have time, and I'm going to put notes on your writing that you've shared with me, so you can kind of see if there's anything that you need to fix. All right. Bye, guys.